Do you want to start a healthy diet but you don't know where to start? We all know that eating healthy has a lot of amazing benefits. Watch this video till the end so you can discover how to start a healthy diet, how to break the cycle of unhealthy eating, set realistic goals, and discover mindful eating techniques to help you limit intake of unhealthy foods for good. First, set realistic goals. Make sure it is specific, measurable, and achievable. It is important to know why you want to start a healthy diet. 2. Create a balanced diet or prepare nutritious meals at home, including foods from all food groups such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Consider the plate model, where 50% of your plate is filled with vegetables, 25% with whole grains, and 25% with lean protein sources. Third, develop healthy eating habits. Start by recognizing your eating motivations and triggers, then create strategies to overcome them. For example, keep healthy snacks at your desk or plan your meals in advance to avoid unhealthy impulse choices. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation, but about nourishing your body and indulging in moderation. Fourth, choose healthier options by reading food labels. Identify added sugars. Look for the word natural, which often used to describe minimally processed products. And beware of healthy claims. Always read the ingredients and nutrition facts to get a clear picture. 5. Develop strategies for cravings. By using mindful eating techniques like eat without distractions. Focus on the sensations of eating and the company you are with. Use all of your senses to experience your food. Notice the colors, texture, smell, and taste. Take small bites and chew slowly. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Stop eating when you feel satisfied and not when you're stuffed. Number 6. Track progress and setbacks by using a food diary, taking progress photos, or tracking your measurements. It helps you stay accountable. By consistently evaluating your progress, you'll be able to see how far you've come and stay motivated to continue your journey. It's important to be kind to yourself though. Remember that setbacks are a normal part of the process, and it's essential to learn from them. Never give up just because you have a setback. Instead, use it as an opportunity to tweak your tactic and try again. And lastly, build a support system. This can include friends, family, or online communities. Surrounding yourself with people who support and encourage you, it can help you stay motivated and accountable. When you're part of a community that understands your struggles and accomplishments, you'll feel less alone and more empowered to make positive changes. Your support system can also offer valuable advice and guidance when you need it the most. Whether you're struggling to overcome a plateau or dealing with emotional eating, having someone to turn to can be a lifesaver. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help when you need it. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. By building a strong support system, you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles and stay on track towards your goals. So, are you ready to start your journey to a healthier you? Comment down below which of these strategies you will start to use. And what strategies did I miss? Share and follow for more health tips. God bless you all. Peace.